What's up you guys, welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the rear driveshaft coupler on this 2006 Dodge Charger. It's a common problem for eventually the coupler to deteriorate, causing rear vibrations. So let me show you guys how it's done. I just seen the cute little panda. Alright, let's get to it. What's up you guys, this is Future Jesse. So while I was removing the coupler, I also noticed that the driveshaft bearing was destroyed, worn out. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace this as well. So stay tuned. Lift the car from underneath the rear differential with a block wood on the floor jack. Place some jack stands to support the vehicle. Place some wheel checks in front of the wheels. Put the car on neutral so you can rotate the drive shaft. So it looks like there's one bolt missing for some reason. I'll take a picture and let my client know about this. Remove the T60 star bolts and use an 18mm wrench to support the nut. I slide the jack handle over the ratchet to give me more leverage. Use a pry bar to separate the coupling. This coupling is done. Use a needle nose plier to remove the coupling metal spacers if they got stuck like this. The new coupler will have 3 spacers that stick out on both sides. Line them up with the drive shaft and the differential when installing it. Install everything back. While I was underneath the car, I also noticed that the center bearing was worn, so I have to replace it. Remove 4 14mm nuts securing the crossmember. Remove 4 11mm nuts securing the heat shield. Slide the heat shield around the exhaust. Remove 2 13mm bolts securing the center bearing. Mark the drive shaft so you get it as close to how it came out when you reinstall it. Use a bearing separator to remove it. Be careful, you don't want to damage the drive shaft. Add a coat of grease or spray some lubrication to help the bearing slide in better. The flat side of the bearing faces down. If you have a piece of pipe that's long and wide, whoa, hold on, pause. Slide it over the drive shaft and let it sit evenly on the bearing and use that to install it. I don't have one, unfortunately, so I have to improvise. My bearing removal tool is also my bearing installing tool. Hammer the shit out of it, but be very careful. This is brought to you by your ghetto mechanic. No special tools needed. Let's get it. Add some blue thread locker on all the bolts before installing everything to prevent it from coming loose from vibration. Alright, you guys, well, I definitely felt like a ghetto mechanic by using that hammer, but hey, it got the job done. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.